Well, y'all, part B. Well, y'all, the small birds wanted to show off for y'all this morning. And now, a bigger bird. Oh, wow. Hope y'all enjoying this little back clip. Maybe this is how it have to be. Part one and part two. One focus on me and then the other focus on the nature. Whatever the camera ability to do, we'll have to work within that, y'all. Hope y'all enjoying it, y'all. Like I said, this is my Techno phone, and it doesn't have the same filters as the iPhone, so I cannot capture the same type photos. Just can do my best, y'all. With what I got. And these colors even don't look the same. But that's okay, y'all. Y'all imagination can take over the rest. It's like a Where's Waldo scene, y'all. The bird is there. You just have to follow the sound. There it goes. It's moving. It's using that flower for camouflage. I'm moving and you see the bird is moving, y'all. Don't want y'all to see it. That's all right, y'all got to see it anyway, close up and personal, y'all. Now you know who was making that beautiful sound. This little bird right here. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing where some of these beautiful sounds come from with this part B from my little techno phone. It's doing the best it can be. It can do just itself, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed what it could do. I'm working within my limitations because it's Africa, y'all. It's Africa. So anyway, I don't even know if y'all can see me, but I know y'all can hear me. So remember, peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all, with Part B. Bye.